When we look at the boundary between the liquid phase and the gas phase, it does not continue forever, but stops at a critical point in the phase diagram. This critical point reflects the fact that at high pressure and high temperature, it is impossible to distinguish between the liquid and gaseous phases, and H2O enters a different supercritical phase of matter.
If you look at water at its critical point, it goes dark. And the reason it goes dark is because the fluctuations of density expand on longer and longer length scale. They become correlated. They become so correlated that they actually start to scatter light. And this is called critical opalescence. So this same opalescent phenomenon occurs at all critical points. And it's an example of matter forgetting about its microscopic physics. And what we're discovering more and more is that critical points seem to be more and more the linking idea for the periodic table. They are kind of the portals between these different multiverses. And we discover that when we can tune the state of matter close to a critical point, it seems to nucleate many new emergent states of behavior. And so this is giving us a clue as to where we should start looking.
One example of a material Coleman worked with that displayed interesting emergent behavior was cerium copper-6 gold. Cerium copper-6 by itself is an ordinary non-magnetic metal. But if you replace some of the copper atoms with gold atoms, its properties change. By adjusting the concentration of gold and the temperature, researchers can tune the material from a normal metallic state to a magnetic state, as shown on this phase diagram. The boundaries between the two phases meet at a critical point at absolute zero. At the higher temperatures accessible to experiments, there is a region between the two phase boundaries in which cerium copper-6 gold is neither a metal nor a magnet, just as opalescent water is neither a liquid nor a gas. In this region, cerium copper-6 gold is quantum critical, and it is fluctuating between a magnetic phase and a metallic one. This is the kind of emergent behavior Coleman wants to understand.